Hello, my name is Keshia. I analyzed the BreadBasket dataset to find product combinations that can boost sales for Spanish brunch, and I found a clear opportunity. I found that Spanish brunch sells best when customers also buy salad, which has a lift of 6.67 and a confidence of 12.1%, and truffles, which has a lift of 4.87 and a confidence of 9.9%. If we bundle Spanish brunch with those items and promote it on weekends from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., we can lift sales the fastest. Today, I'll show you the data behind it. When compared with staples like coffee and bread, Spanish brunch is a low volume, high opportunity product, so we need to know who buys it, when, and with what other items. Bakery traffic peaks late morning into early afternoon with the heaviest flows on the weekend. That's the window when people are most open to meal combos. And then filtering to Spanish brunch, we can see that purchases concentrate on weekends from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. That gives us our clear promotional window. Before zooming in on Spanish brunch, here's the landscape of all the rules. X is lift, Y is confidence, and size is support. Most rules cluster around lift 2.1 to 2.3 with moderate confidence. There's also a few outliers on the far right that are stronger. Now I'll filter to Spanish brunch. Spanish brunch links most strongly with salad, truffles, and chicken stew. These have higher lift with workable confidence. These pairings suggest a health conscious buyer. So, how should we act on this information? We'll bundle Spanish brunch with salad and truffles since those are our most reliable partners. We'll run these bundles during weekend brunch hours from 10 a.m. to 2 and place in store visuals near the salad counter and use truffle imagery to encourage the add on sale. This alignment gives us the fastest path to lifting sales for Spanish brunch. If we want a third option, we can test chicken stew with a lift of 4.92 and a confidence of 6.4%, but our core push will be salad and truffles. Spanish brunch is an underdog with lots of potential, and the path is clear. The fastest path to lifting sales for Spanish brunch is to bundle Spanish brunch with salad and or truffles and promote on the weekends from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Bye!